Looking to make extra cash in 2025? Side hustles are a great way to boost your income while pursuing your passions. Here are 7 of the best side hustles to start this year. Number 1, freelancing online. From writing to graphic design, websites like Upwork and Fiverr can help you earn on your schedule. Number 2, print on demand. Create and sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or stickers without holding any inventory. Number 3, tutoring. Share your expertise in a subject online or in person and get paid to help others learn. Number 4, pet sitting or dog walking. Platforms like Rover make it easy to turn your love for animals into cash. Number 5, delivery services. Drive for apps like DoorDash or Uber Eats to earn flexible income. Number 6, social media management. Help small businesses grow their presence on Instagram or TikTok for a fee. And number 7, selling handmade products. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for showcasing your crafts or artwork. With so many options available, there's a side hustle for everyone. Which one will you start? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more ideas.